Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Oh, you guys, I'm trying to catch my breath to talk to you guys. As you guys can hear, I just finished my last exercise from this morning workout session. I went all out and I killed it this morning. Killed my session. It's always the best way to start my morning, and when I start my morning like this, my day is going to be perfect. It might not even be perfect, but it will be better than what it would normally be without workout. My energy is up, my levels of positivity just feels right, my head is in a good space, and I just feel good when I start my day with workout. On that note, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Baby's off to work. I think it's kind of bittersweet for him because today is his last day in this office that he is. He's gonna take a few days off from work, and then he's going to start his new position in his new office. So he's super excited and he's super sad at the same time, but it's only for the best, and I'm super proud of him, and I know he'll do great things. So on that note, baby's off to work to get back home to spend some time with Tyler because I have to go to work. So baby's gonna reach home in time to take care of Tyler while I head off and get back. So yeah, today's going to be a good day. I declare it, it will be a good day, and nothing and no one will let that be any different. So I just finished working out. Tyler is around here somewhere. Let me find him so you guys can, so I can tell you guys good morning. Here goes my boo-boo being a good sport. Hey, the faves. Say good morning, faves. Take the water out your mouth.
Water.
Say good morning, faves.
Good morning, faves.
How are you guys?
Hello, guys.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm eating water. Then I'm eating drink water.
Good. And what else are you doing? What you watching?
I'm watching TV.
Yeah. All right. So see you guys later.
Just later.
All right, you guys. So there goes Tyler telling you guys good morning and all that good stuff. I am going to go ahead right now and make me and Tyler some green juice and get right into my day because I have a lot of stuff to get done before I head out. So on that note, I'm just going to show you guys a little snippet of the killed that I done during workout this morning. So here goes. I comb my hair back in one, I look like a little boy. I look so much like my brother when I do that. Anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen actually making dinner for the fam while Tyler is having lunch. So for dinner, I am doing some steamed veg. I'm steaming a little bit more veg than I usually do because I want to save some for lunch tomorrow and at some other point tomorrow. And then I'm going to do these fish here which I have seasoned. I think I'm going to do them in coconut sauce. So this pot here is preheating, so I can go ahead and make dinner while Nugget is around here having lunch. What are you having for lunch? What are you eating?
Pasta. Cheese. Yogurt. Water. Ketchup. Get the percentage.
And what else? And what is this?
Sausage.
Yeah, and it's yummy.
Yeah.
It's yummy. Hand over mouth. Hand over mouth. It's yummy?
Yes.
Okay, alright.
Ambulance.
What?
Ambulance.
Abiet, what is that?
No, this.
Oh, ambulance. Look at mama. Say ambulance.
Ambulance.
Right, with your list down.
That.
Fireman.
No. It goes stand up, it goes sit.
Right. He can stand and he can sit. Good job. Anyway, you guys, Stella is here eating.
Stand up, it goes sit.
We're actually trying to make him eat on his own a lot more these days, because come September when he starts school, he's gonna eat at the canteen and he's gonna have to eat by himself. So he's doing not so bad, but let's see. Anyway, you guys, I'm going back to cooking. Let me show you real quick what I have going on here. I'm moving so fast I didn't even realize I'm not vlogging. So my vegetable finished blanching, that is there. I am browning this fish, which I am going to transfer to this seasoning right here. And I am going to throw this coconut milk in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just taste this and it is heavenly. So now I'm going to go ahead and just add all my fish right in there. Okay guys, so there goes dinner. This is mine to go. That's Babe, and that's Tyler. Tyler only is gonna add some pasta to it later. And there we go, fish in coconut sauce and steamed veg. It's such a beautiful day outside. Yes, Tyler.
This is a pushcar.
Yes, it is. Look at your nose. Let's wipe your nose. Come.
It's a pushcar.
Come, pumpkin.
Blue.
Huh?
It's kind of blue.
It is what?
Kind of blue.
You what?
Kind of blue. Kind of blue.
Car blue. Okay, wipe your nose.
It goes in the apple. The logo and the apple.
Uh-huh.
This orange.
Red. He's speaking French and English all at once.
This is the push goes. We are.
Look at him.
Look
What he's showing you guys now. He's got a something.
It's a fire truck.
Oh, is it? You're showing the faves what it is?
It's the water.
Oh, that's where the water comes from. That's where the water comes from?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
It's coming up from the sea water.
Okay. You guys, you see the living room? This is how it looks. This is how your house look when you have kids, okay? So no shame in my game. It's such a beautiful day outside. I'm just here actually waiting on Babe so that I can be well on my way. Comment down below and tell me what the weather where you guys are is like. What is the weather like? Is it sunny? Is it cold? Is it rainy? What's the weather like where you guys are? It's super hot here right now. Yes, Tyler?
Raining, snowing,
Raining, snowing, foggy.
sunny, raining.
Oh, be careful.
Raining, snowing, foggy.
My boy knows climate change.
Mama?
Yes?
Windy.
Windy is a climate change also.
foggy, sunny,
and
okay, this is a father's walk.
oh, it is.
Hi guys, and happy Monday. Well, I didn't see you today, so yeah, happy Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It wasn't very good here because like babe probably show you, she was sick. She feels better today, but yesterday it was not good, so she didn't really do anything special, so we just stay home. And yeah, today is Monday, but it's a special week. I'm gonna say we have 2 holidays in the same week. Tomorrow is a holidays and Thursday is a holiday, so I went to work. I just did what I have to do, but I'm gonna stay home for the rest of the week. So yeah, I hope we'll be able to do a lot of things. I'm actually home alone with Tyler. Tyler is here. Tyler gonna eat very soon. Tyler, ça va?
Ça va.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Mignon.
Mignon? Il a quoi dans les mains, Mignon?
Il est fusée.
Oh, fusée! Il fait quoi avec la fusée?
Il fait un vœu donner ça.
Ok. Ok, ok.
Ça, c'est des vœux.
Well, I can see that Tyler watching a lot of stars on TV because he made himself stars. So yeah, this is dinner. Some carrots, some pasta, fish. Yes, this is fish. And green beans and broccolis. So hopefully Tyler gonna love his dinner, and I'm gonna eat beside him, and I'm gonna eat exactly the same thing. So yeah, when we eat the same things, it just train him to eat too. So yeah.
Hey faves, I have been back home from work and just in time, of course, to put my little nugget to bed. So I'm going to do that right now so I can get to relax a little bit. Hey, take this one up. He's just about finished cleaning up his toys. Are you finished? You're finished? Oh no, you have one leave. That one, take up that one. Take up this one. Bring it in. Yeah, and come back for this one. Go on and come back for the last one. We always tell him to pick up his toys just before he goes to bed, so he enjoy just running back and forth from this room to this room to pick them up. He doesn't like to carry one or 2 or 3 in his hand. You have to carry one, so you run back until they're finished. So he's almost done. Just this one leave. One more to go, Pumpkin. Pick it up. All right. And the room's all clean too. Yay! Huh?
Finished.
You're finished?
Yes.
Good job. Come here. Tell Faves night night.
Night.
What else you want to tell Faves?
And go and
And then
subscribe.
and
Good job.
subscribe.
Good job, puppy. Bye-bye.
All right, and then you're gonna go to bed. Look at your nose. All right, let's go take a quick bath, okay? Hey guys, Pepe, tappy nice, no?
Tappy nice.
Tappy nice.
Tappy nice.
That's the Jamaican expression for today.
Tappy nice.
Baby, tappy nice.
Tappy nice.
Oh, tappy nice, man.
Yeah, so I get it.
Tappy nice. He forever bother me. He bother the hell out of me. Tappy nice. When a Jamaican tell him it's tappy nice, just stop the talking. Leave me alone.
Oh.
Jeez, tappy nice.
Tappy nice.
Yes.
Okay, you want to know what's the French expression? I don't have any French expression. Okay, because we're watching Star Wars, the French word for today will be étoile. Étoile is a star. So it can be like in English, things in the sky, or somebody that is like a movie star is like a étoile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Étoile. At least you don't have any R for me to say tonight.
Étoile.
Étoile.
Étoile de mer. Mon cœur amoureux. I think this is it.
Continue.
I don't know the song.
Oh my gosh, you guys, today was a long day and I have an early start tomorrow morning, so I'm going to head to bed. Right now Tyler is already off the bed and babe and I gonna joining. So if it's your first time to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and as Tyler say, comment down below and catch up and peep up. Catch up and keep up. But Tyler say catch up and peep up. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.